My dear very little student friend, most welcome. Most welcome friend, most welcome to Reality. Friend, in front of you all are topographical map, commonly known as a topo map or a topo sheet. Each topo sheets hold a special structural identity like G44Q12, F44X13, E43W11, H43K7, G43H3, G43S10, G43S7, etc., based on the Survey of India Educational Map Series. But what is its purpose? To present a picture of the land as it exists during the survey. Actually, these number in ICSE CBSE is not just an ID. It is a 1 to 50,000 scale map sheet that provides a detailed, color-coded and annotated view of an areas of physical and cultural geography. Not only that, friend, each topo sheet has a specific defined meaning. For example, topo sheet number G43S7. Okay, it is not only covering part of a Gujarat-Rajasthan border, it typically depicts rural areas with features like the Aravalli Hills, seasonal stream, open scrub vegetation, and agricultural settlements. Next example, topo sheet number G44Q12. Friend, state UP, specifically Mirzapur and Varanasi district. But how it is possible? Actually, the world's landmass is divided into topographic sheets through systematic indexing system. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो friend? क्यों ऐसा किया गया? You know the earth is spherical and its surface is irregular, and this has always been a challenge for cartographer. तुम बोलना चाहोगे प्रॉब्लम किस बात की मो? ग्लोब तो था ही. Yes, friend, but although the globe gives the truest possible view of the whole earth, it has several disadvantages. They are expensive, bulky, and inconvenient to carry around. Also, only the half the earth can be viewed at a glance. Yan? तो ये high mountains, low-lying areas and various landforms को लेकर क्या किया जाए? तुम बता सकते हो क्या? So various techniques are used such as layer coloring, spot heights, hill shading and contours to show such three-dimensional features on a two-dimensional map. Pucho moo. The world is divided into distinct regions that differ significantly from each other in terms of geography, cultural economy and a political system also. तो कैसे होगा? Exactly, so friend, you are right. And yes, friend, almost every country in the world has its own national service system and dedicated mapping agency responsible for producing geographical sheets and geospatial data. My dear student friend, कैसे India's landmass surveyed by Survey of India? देखो. The Survey of India topo sheets, which is a graphic representation of features on the Earth's surface, generally cover an area of 15 minutes of latitude by 15 minutes of longitude, created by dividing 1 degree into 1 degree sheets into 16 smaller sections. And these maps are commonly used at a scale of 1 to 50,000. And 1 to 50,000 is a large scale map. Are you confused, friend, about 1 to 50,000 as a large scale? Example देखो. Map A and Map B. ठीक? Bharatbarsha and surroundings. Okay na? But Map A is a small scale map. It shows a large area on the ground but gives less details. है ना? Map B is a large scale map. It shows a smaller area on the ground but gives greater details. देखो, है ना? फ्रेंड तुम्हारे पास स्कूल एटलस तो जरूर होगा, है ना? उसमें देखो कॉन्टिनेंट नॉर्थ अमेरिका, फर्स्ट फिजिकल एंड देन पॉलिटिकल मैप होगा. ठीक? Scale is 1:30 मिलियन। नो फ्रेंड, ऐसा नहीं कि तुम जो देख रहे हो उसमें स्केल सेम ही होगा। 30 मिलियन से अलग भी हो सकता है, लेकिन पॉलिटिकल एंड फिजिकल मैप सेम ही होगा। कमेंट करके बता दो तो तुम्हारे पास जो स्कूल एटलस उसमें नॉर्थ अमेरिका पॉलिटिकल एंड फिजिकल मैप एक ही स्केल में है या नहीं। तो 1:30 million, yes, representative fraction means 1 unit on the map represents 30 million units on the ground. Since map distance are measured in cm and ground distance are required in km. So friend, first divide by 100,000. You know now friend, 100,000 cm equal to 1 km. So to convert cm to km, 30 million cm by 100,000 cm equal to 300 km. Statement scale is 1 cm on the map equal to 300 km on the ground. सोचो, मैप में 1 cm जो तुम देख रहे हो, बेसिक ग्राउंड में 300 किलोमीटर रीजन पाओगे। फ्रेंड, नाउ नेक्स्ट मैप देखो, ओनली यूएसए, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका। स्केल इज 1:20 मिलियन। फ्रेंड, पेज साइज सेम ही है, लेकिन टोटल नॉर्थ अमेरिका से छोटा एक रीजन डिस्प्ले हो रहा है। तभी स्केल कैसे अलग हो गया बताओ तो। यू डिवाइड द डिनोमिनेटर बाय 100,000। ग्राउंड डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू 20 मिलियन cm बाय 100,000 cm इक्वल टू 200 km। फ्रेंड, पॉलिटिकल एंड फिजिकल दोनों मैप में गल्फ ऑफ मेक्सिको था, बट ओनली यूएसए आ गया जब 200 km हो तो गया, लेकिन गल्फ ऑफ मेक्सिको में तुम देखो कलर वेरिएशन भी आ गया, particularly along the eastern US region. Typically represents a bathymetry, which is the measurement of water depth. In this context, lighter shades of blue indicates shallower water, such as the continental shelf along Florida, which progressively darker shades of blue indicates deeper water towards the center of the Gulf. ऐसे धीरे धीरे स्केल यूनिट स्मॉल होगा एंड रियलिटी में एक्चुअल ग्राउंड और डिटेल्स में तुम्हारे सामने आएगा। क्या सोच रहे हो फ्रेंड, व्हाट इज इट्स इंपॉर्टेंस? गल्फ ऑफ मेक्सिको में ही देखो, the color gradient is crucial for nautical navigation as it highlights submerged features and helps identify shallow areas requiring caution. I think clear हो ही गया होगा, लेकिन तुम देखो तो तुम कर पा रहे हो या नहीं? My dear student friend, question number 1. Generally, India's full physical and then political map तुम देख पाओगे पहले स्कूल एटलस में, थोड़ा बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन के बाद ही, जैसे कि मैं देख रहा हूँ in front of you at present. देखो, scale is 1:17 million 500,000 या both में ही, meaning 1 unit on the map represents 17,500,000 of the same unit in reality. तो तुम बताओ, India's physical and political map तुम जो देख रहे हो, what is its scale? What is its meaning? Question number 2. School Atlas में next तुम देख पाओगे Northern, Eastern, Southern and Western India, ऐसे करके full page मैपिंग है ना। मैं जो देख रहा हूं एट प्रेजेंट ऑन योर स्क्रीन, स्केल इज 1:4 मिलियन। ओके, मीनिंग वही 1 cm इक्वल टू 4 मिलियन। 1 cm ऑन द मैप इक्वल टू 4 मिलियन cm ऑन द ग्राउंड, मीनिंग वही 1 cm ऑन द मैप इक्वल टू 4 मिलियन cm ऑन द ग्राउंड। तुम बोलो, तुम जो देख रहे हो स्केल क्या है, मीनिंग क्या है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. 1:17,500,000 and 1:4 मिलियन स्केल मैंने तुमको स्कूल एटलस से दिखाया। ठीक, तो बताओ which one is a large scale and which one is small. तुम जो स्केल तुम्हारे सामने देख रहे हो and find भी किया, उसमें भी which one is the small and which one is the large scale. My dear student friend, last question. If scale is number 1, 1 is to 100, number 2, 1 is to 1000, and number 3, 1 is to 100,000. Which one the largest scale among the given option on an ICC and CBSE double sheet? Always remember it. In cartography, the size of a scale is determined by the value of the representative fraction. Okay, and a larger scale shows a smaller area with a high level of details, while the smaller scale shows a larger area with less details. If you have any question or doubt or need more explanation on this topic, feel free to comment down below. Really easy, always with you. Stay with me, friend. Bye bye.